Hello my friends, so continuing with my YouTube journey, my second video, I went to a motorbike meet, or a sort of an exhibition museum sort of thing, and I thought I want to turn this into a video, so I took my iPhone with me and pretty much spent the whole day walking around like a duck trying to get stable footage, you know, walking or zooming, but creating movement whilst walking around the bikes, trying to get some interesting footage so that I could combine it all together into a bit of a montage. And the video itself wasn't too bad, but it was a bit boring and I needed to add some sound to it. So having watched quite a few YouTube videos on the best ways to create videos, I'd seen quite a lot of people, or particularly sponsorships in videos, mentioning Epidemic Sound. So I subscribed to Epidemic Sound, and I'll leave a link in the bottom. It's an affiliate link, but if you do subscribe, then I'll get some free time out of it, and so will you. It doesn't cost you any more. But yeah, I used Epidemic Sound and downloaded a few different light-hearted tracks that I could add to the video, and yeah, it wasn't too bad. I think ultimately, because it was just it was effectively just loads of B-roll stitched together with some music, it was quite a boring video. But I think the thing that I learned from this is that to create a decent video of this sort, or even to create decent B-roll, then you do need a gimbal, and so I invested in the DJI gimbal, which is a fantastic product, but I'll perhaps talk about that a bit more in a different video sometime in the future. One of the things that I did notice about, you know, going out with the intention of filming is I didn't actually pay much attention to the exhibition itself. I didn't really see what was going on. I wasn't immersed in the exhibition. I was immersed in getting video and footage, and it was an absolute nightmare carrying around my helmet and trying to film stuff as I walked around the exhibition. Fortunately enough, I was with a friend, so he did help me by carrying my helmet for quite a bit of the time there. But yeah, it felt a bit odd because you know, my focus for being there was just to film, and I didn't really sort of get the best out of the exhibition itself because of the fact that I was there just filming. But anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can follow my YouTube and adventures. And if you've got any questions about starting a YouTube channel or stories about starting your own channel, then please leave them in the comments below. And with that said, I'll catch you all in the next one.